Imagine you want to send money to a friend in another country. With your bank, it takes 3 to 5 business days and costs a lot of fortunes in fees. So you try crypto instead, but Bitcoin takes 10 whole minutes just to confirm your transaction. Ethereum, the fees only can cost more than what you're actually sending. There has to be a better way. Most blockchains were designed with trade-offs. Bitcoin is the gold standard of security, but it's slow. Built for storing value, not spending it. Ethereum made smart contracts famous, but when the network gets busy, fees go through the roof. And many newer blockchains, they solve speed problem by handing control to small group of people, which defeats the whole point. Speed, security, decentralization, pick two, or so they say. In 2014, DigiByte was built to break that trade-off. It's a public blockchain, no company owns it, no CEO controls it, no government can shut it down. It launched fairly, with no pre-mine and no ICO. Nobody got a secret head start, and in over 10 years of operation, DigiByte has never been successfully hacked, not once. Here's why DigiByte really shines. Bitcoin confirms a transaction in about 10 minutes. DigiByte does it in 15 seconds. That's 40 times faster, and it can handle over 1,000 transactions per second. So whether you are paying for coffee or sending money across the world, DigiByte is built for real, everyday use, not just sitting in a digital wallet. Security is where DigiByte stands completely alone. Most blockchains use one mining algorithm. DigiByte uses 5 simultaneously. To attack the network, a bad actor will need to take over the majority of 5 completely different mining systems at the same time. That's practically impossible. DigiByte also invented DigiShield, a technology that automatically adjusts mining difficulty in real time to keep the network stable. It worked so well that major blockchains, including Dogecoin, adopted it. DigiByte has over 200,000 nodes spread across the globe. There's no headquarters, no venture capital pulling strings behind the scenes, no single point of failure. It's run entirely by volunteers and community members who believe in the mission. That's what true decentralization looks like, and it's rarer than you might think. DigiByte isn't just a coin. DigiAssets lets anyone tokenize real-world assets, property, contracts, collectibles, all secured on-chain. DigiByte's tech is also being used for cybersecurity and digital identity verification. And with DigiDollar in active development, a native stablecoin, DigiByte is moving into everyday digital payments in a big way. Speed, security, decentralization, no compromises. DigiByte has been quietly building the future of blockchain for over a decade, and the best part, anyone can be part of it. Visit digibyte.org to learn more and join a community that has been here since the beginning. Thank you.